Good morning, everybody. We are at Walmart first thing in the morning because you know why, Bella?
No.
No. It's our 100th video today, and we're going to do something really fun. You excited?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think we're going to do? You don't know? Anyway, so we're going to go in the store, grab a few things, then it's off to the races for fun. Right?
Yeah.
Right. Boom. First things first, though. Mary wanted to do a challenge today, so I gotta get her something. I think this is, no, not those. It's an onion. It's gonna be a funny challenge. No, it's okay. No. You wanna do it?
No.
Mary's onion challenge is gonna be hilarious. I'll put a link down in the description below. You guys can go check it out. It'll be funny. What's happening with your tooth, Bells? Let me see. I can't see your big fingers in the way.
Okay, I'll use my pinky.
Her tooth is like just hanging on, but
It's like stuck in the
she
gum.
won't let me touch it though. She doesn't trust me. I don't know why she's so scared. Oh, here we go. This is what we're getting. Ready?
Yep.
Whoop, boom. We're gonna have a Nerf war inside the house. It's gonna be awesome, right? It's gonna be awesome. Which one do you want? We got everyone their weapon of choice. I think this is the one Mom wanted when we were here the other day. We got the Enforcer. Basically a huge Gatling gun. It's awesome. Bella got the Artemis XV2 3000.
And the balls are rubber. So
And I got the Chaos MXV1 4000. Now we gotta go get, what do we gotta go get? Oh, we need batteries. We need batteries for the guns and we need a GoPro. Alright, so we're home. Let's see if Mary's up. No, just leave it. We're gonna go show her a big surprise. Oh my god. I can't fit through the door.
You guys suck.
Why?
Because you didn't. I wanted to go.
Hi, Luch. What's up, Poops? Everybody's suited up. Bella's got her mask for safety. Safety first. And we're gonna start. 3, 2, 1, go.
Careful.
Running away. Gotta go. Oh, crap. Oh no. I'm almost out of ammo. I got like 8 more shots. Gonna take them out.
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him, Bella. You're gonna get him.
Gotta be quiet.
You fell down! Babe?
I want to shoot you.
Babe? Oh my god. You fell down! We need to fill up on ammo. We're getting our butts kicked.
I don't know where they are. Gotta be very quiet. I think I heard them come upstairs.
It comes out. It comes out of here. Out of here.
Gotta see. Gonna try and not get hit.
Daddy, please, Daddy, Daddy.
Wait.
Now we got trouble.
Look at him being a scary cat. Come when he's weak. He closed the door! What a baby! Wow, you closed the door! Chicken!
That's not hurting.
Headshot. Barrel roll.
Down for the count! Blue win wins! I'm out of ammo. You know what? I don't need to be out in this terrible space anyway.
Yeah, whatever.
He thinks he's gonna beat me. He's out of his mind. He has no idea what's coming for him.
Whose team are you on now?
Yours.
Yeah, the winning team.
Losing team.
Winning. Get out before I make you get out.
I'll go down and get my lightsaber.
Get her! Run! Yeah! Red team wins! Yeah! Red team wins! Score is now 1-1. We're gonna see who wins the next. Get in your base, cheater.
I'm getting ready.
Get in your base.
Daddy?
Go, go, go. I got you covered. Go, go, go. Go.
I got him on the boot.
Quick, hurry back.
I got him on the boot. Go get
took their gun? How did you let that happen?
That is a crap gun. Oh my god, my daughter's beating me. How fair is that? Want to see something cool? That's it, kid. I got your gun now.
Daddy, she took.
How do you let that happen? Stay away, kid! Walk of shame. Walk of shame. You know what happens in Call of Duty? When somebody dies, they drop their gun and I steal it. You're all out? Hands up? Does it look like I win now? Looks like I win. I think I win round 3. Because I took somebody else's gun. Because somebody else wasn't paying attention. Boom! Walk of shame.
I'm laying down.
Lay of shame. Nap of shame. That's what you do. You let them go all out of bullets. And then you take the one bullet or the one gun that has the bullets. And then you win. I won. And now she thinks, oh my god, my arm. Ah! My arm has been cut off. I feel like Anakin now.
Games are tied. 2-2. Winner take all. Ready? Hey, what? Gotcha. Throw bullet. You can't touch the lightsaber blade.
I don't only have one lightsaber.
Stab her, Bella. Save our base. Stab her.
Right, left, cut to the head.
Oh, my.
I am the winner. You cannot beat me. Ha! Yeah, lightsaber going down. It's going down. Woo! 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 I touch you, and I touch you, and I touch you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Chill, girl.
How's Mom feel about winning?
I feel like champion of the world.
You can't reach me.
Oh See? Come closer, darling.
No.
Hi. What's on that? Oh, don't step on that.
Oh, I'm gonna get it. You're firing the bed, by the way. You're firing the bed. We had so much fun playing darts, and it was super cool because we used lightsabers. My mom and dad are just cleaning up the room, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Hot mess right now.
You're a hot mess?
I'm a hot mess. My hair, my fur is crazy. My fur is cray-cray.
I hope you guys had a blast watching our 100th video on YouTube.
Yay!
It was a lot of fun. It took like the whole day. As you see, it's dark out now. We had a blast. We just kept going and going and going.
I won. I won.
Yeah, Mary won. It did take like an hour to find all the bullets and darts though, after the fact. And we had to be really careful because the balls were like the size of a marble. We didn't want Luch choking on them, so we had to make sure we found every single one. But other than that, it was great. Anyways, like always, if you guys like our videos, please subscribe, like, comment.
Big thumbs up. Woo!
And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Good night.
Good night. Fair fight. You guys know what that's from? Let me know in the comments below. It's a very old cartoon. But if you do know, let me know. Bye.